Hey, what is up guys, FZM here. Welcome back to round 2 of the display quality comparison test between the Huawei Mate 20X versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now based on the first round, the Note 9 is just edging ahead in terms of the vote. However, the comment section is definitely split down the middle. So let's dig a little bit deeper in today's specific 4K HDR test. So I've picked out 3 fantastic clips which have an option for high dynamic range. YouTube allows this feature on their signature devices such as the Huawei Mate 20X and also the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. With a YouTube signature device, it means that the smartphone supports application enhancements and fully optimized features such as high dynamic range amongst other things. So the HDR clips that you'll be seeing are phenomenal to compare RGB color accuracy, high dynamic range and display vibrancy. So let's test out which phone outputs HDR the best and see if there's any significant difference in overall display quality compared to the Mate 20X and Note 9. Round 2, let's get started. Right, for anybody new here, I'll do a quick overview of the display specs. For the Mate 20X, we're looking at a 7.2 inch OLED display, and on the Note 9, a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display. So settings, display. So max brightness for the Note 9, I'm using the adaptive display which from my everyday experience brings out the best quality, and video enhancer is on, capturing that further detail as it's a fully optimized smartphone for YouTube. I'm also in high performance mode, which means the resolution is set to the highest, which is WQHD Plus at 2960 by 1440. And lastly on the Note 9, it has Dolby Atmos support, which gives you high fidelity audio and superb overall sound. Right, and for the Mate 20X, settings, display, and max brightness, color temperature is set to vivid, which will give us nicer vibrant colors overall. For screen resolution, the Mate 20X is at Full HD Plus at 2244 by 1080. Now, as you can see, we have an option to hide the notch. I'll leave this on default just to see how much the teardrop notch affects our overall viewing experience. And we also have an always on display for the Mate 20X, just like the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And finally, there is also Dolby Atmos support with 3 modes: Smart, Film, and Music. Now Film is my preferred option as it gives the Mate 20X excellent audio clarity through its top and bottom firing speaker. Right, time to begin. So, resolution quality, 1440p HDR for the Note 9, full brightness, and quality 1080p HDR for the Mate 20X, full brightness, and 3, 2, 1, go! See you guys at the end. So, let me hear your thoughts on this display comparison test. Huawei Mate 20X or Samsung Galaxy Note 9? Which display performed the best with HDR here? Which would you choose, and who do you think won? Is the Note 9 outshining the Mate 20X with its Super AMOLED Infinity display at 1440p HDR resolution, or does the stunning 7.2-inch OLED display of the Mate 20X grab your attention with its Full HD Plus high dynamic range display due to its sheer size? There's a poll above on this video, so have your vote now. I hope you enjoyed the clips as much as I did, so there'll be a final display comparison test between these two to crown the winner, and I'll be releasing that very soon. And I'll be conducting this display test series with all the latest flagships around, so stick around, trust me, you don't want to miss it. But for now, who's your winner so far? Huawei Mate 20X or Samsung Galaxy Note 9? Drop me your comments below, I'll be checking them all out, and be sure to leave any suggestions for the future. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all